In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block form or pop-up form submissions from specific email domains in HubSpot. If you're dealing with spam submissions, fake leads, or users signing up with personal email addresses when you only want business domains, this is going to help you clean up your CRM and protect your marketing data. The best part is that HubSpot has this built directly into your form settings, so you don't need any third-party tools or complicated workflows. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting, and if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and marketing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down, select Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard where you can see all the forms you've already created. Now you have two options. If you want to apply domain blocking to a brand new form, click Create Form and build your form as usual. If you already have a form that's receiving spam or unwanted submissions, simply hover over that existing form and click Edit. This will open the form editor. Once you're inside the form editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see different configuration options for your form. Click on the settings icon in the left sidebar. This will open up your form settings panel. Inside the settings area, click on the Submission Settings tab in the left panel. This is where HubSpot allows you to control what happens when someone submits your form, and also where you can restrict certain email domains. Now scroll until you find the section labeled Email Domains to Block. This is the key field. If you want to block specific domains, simply type them directly into this field. For example, if you want to block submissions from gmail.com, yahoo.com, or any competitor's domain, just enter each domain separately. HubSpot will prevent any form submission where the email address matches those domains. This is extremely useful if you're running B2B campaigns and only want corporate email addresses. By blocking free or irrelevant domains, you ensure your sales team only receives qualified leads. In addition to manually entering domains, HubSpot also gives you a shortcut to block common free email providers automatically. You'll see a toggle labeled Block Free Email Providers. When you switch this on, HubSpot uses its default list of known free email domains and prevents those submissions automatically. This is a quick way to reduce spam and improve lead quality without manually listing every provider. After you've added the domains you want to block and configured the free email provider setting if needed, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Review and Update. HubSpot will then prompt you to confirm your changes. Once you publish or update the form, the new restrictions will immediately apply to all future submissions. And that's it. From now on, any user who tries to submit your form using a blocked email domain will be prevented from completing the submission. This keeps your database cleaner, reduces spam, and improves your reporting accuracy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future HubSpot guides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more advanced form filtering or automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.